all the kids in another town. Guess that's the only way they know to get down. Nothing to do, there's nowhere to go. They find skills they got to show. This generation has been let down. There's no work in this old town. It doesn't pay, we got mouths to feed. Society built on power and greed. Hanging on the monkey road, stranded on the monkey road, hanging on the monkey road, far too long. Hanging on the monkey road, stranded on the monkey road, hanging on the monkey road, far too long. I'm singing this song, this song. Let's take it back to the carnival fair. Is there anyone who really cares? Help a brother, he can pass it on. Help a sister, she can help her son. Open your eyes and look to the sky. What have we done to generation? Why, my friend, I hope you understand that the path you take is in your hands. Hanging on the monkey road, stranded on the monkey road, hanging on the monkey road, far too long. Hanging on the monkey road, stranded on the monkey road, hanging on the monkey road, far too long. That's why I'm singing this song, this song. They left us on the wrong side of the track, 15 on reefer and 16 crack. They told us that's a place to hang around when you're feeling like you've been let down. Gotta face the dark to see the light. The wounds you wear, well, the devil takes delight. My friend, I hope you understand that the path you take is in your hands. Hanging on the monkey road, stranded on the monkey road, hanging on the monkey road, far too long. Hanging on the monkey road, stranded on the monkey road, hanging on the monkey road, far too long. That's why I'm singing this song, this song. I see the anger, it's in your face. You hit the street, yeah, to find someone to blame. What can you do on the struggle street? So you go and find the others you meet. The street trying to heal, violence is king. Can't find no more, I just want to sing. My friend, I hope you understand that the path